Today was the warmest day of the week for most of us, and probably going to end up being the warmest day of August, possibly, if we don't get any more days like this, where the maximum temperature reached 29.4 at Force 13 HQ, also got to 29 at Doncaster, Bourne and Ely, and 28 degrees in several other locations. Low temperatures overnight were in a tiny village called Ford in Gloucestershire, 9 degrees, also 9 degrees in a few parts of northern Scotland and out over the Northern Islands there up in the Lourik area, getting down to 10. Advisories active right now along the western coast of Scotland. We have a few wind advisories also for Anglesey as well in Wales. A few areas could reach some fairly strong winds overnight into tomorrow. And it's all because of this band that's moving in from the west and will be delivering more cloud and eventually some rain overnight for large parts of England and Wales and of course the Republic of Ireland. It's going to be a warm night as well, with some low temperatures there, only 17 degrees Celsius underneath that bank of cloud in the south of England, and it will be getting breezier overnight as well, especially in Western Ireland. And that's because this big extratropical cyclone is pushing in with strong winds, which will affect the whole of Ireland over the course of Friday, and will start to affect the islands of Scotland as well, and the western part of Scotland, with temperatures dropping a little bit. But in the eastern part of Scotland there will still be a few little areas of showers, but in general it will be a good day, with 24 expected in Aberdeen and 23 in Edinburgh. In Ireland then it is half and half. The eastern side might still get away with a decent day, but it will increasingly turn sour and wet in the west there. But in England and Wales once again it looks like we've got another decent day. There will be small scale showers that will be moving along through there throughout the course of the day. So there's no guarantee that you will remain dry for the whole day, but overall large areas will get some decent sunshine once again, with high temperatures of 27 in East Anglia and around 25 in Manchester. It will be breezier though, and as you can see here, a few wind gusts getting to gale force in North Wales, over in Cumbria there, over the hills of the Northern Pennines, and in large parts of coastal Ireland. And then lots of rain moving in from this system then throughout the course of Friday night into Saturday across the Republic of Ireland, through western Scotland, northwestern England, temperatures down into the lower teens. And then on Saturday, another day that's going to be very mixed, even more so now, and a lot more rainfall, so it really will be an absolute mixed bag. When the sun does pop out it will feel warm once again, but for a large amount of time we expect that there'll be cloud and rain. Western Scotland there getting a lot of rainfall, in the east more patchy rain, around 21 degrees Celsius the high. Similar story across Ireland, 22 the expected high in the southeast, and in England and Wales it's also looking fairly similar. Rain and cloud, but still some areas of sunshine in between all of that. A very variable day with a maximum temperature of 23 degrees across large parts of England, but East Anglia just holding out there for another really warm day, getting up to 26. Could also see a few light showers there as well. So overall I wouldn't bet on outdoor plans on Saturday, but you might just get away with small short time events. Wind gusts there will be getting up there as well, so it will be a very breezy and at times blustery day there, with winds possibly getting towards gale force. This big swirly cyclone continues to affect the area over Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temperatures will fall down to around 10 degrees in Scotland, but generally a decent night again. And into Sunday there, that system starting to move off towards the northwest means it's going to be a decent day in southern England and Wales, with high temperatures of 24 degrees in London, but further north it will be patchy rain, but once again there could be lots of sun in between those rain showers, and it looks like we could have a significant rain event from a frontal system moving through there on Sunday night. That's all for tonight. We'll be back again with another update whenever it requires.